This is Sunday the 1st of September 2024 in the Garden Circle there. They're bringing the settings in until you into the spirit.
Trying to catch him now. This horse looks incredible for 27. Amazing shape for 27. He doesn't even look his age.
He came to her in a meeting.
He doesn't even look his age. He only looks about 10 years old. Maybe is he covering this year? Covering now.
He covered about 70 this year, maybe.
70.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
No,
Thanks.
no worries.
70. Covering 70 this year.
That's invincible.
Yeah.
Well named, man, isn't he?
Is he going to the house show? No, he's not.
That was a good one you got of him, wasn't it?
Yeah, great one,
Just
yeah.
by accident, wasn't
Yeah. Nando, she said Nando's up in the next paddock, didn't she?
No, go. My close is over.
And you're very good, Liam. He's closing over the gate. You're being a real gentleman, Liam.
Careful, now, good people.
I'll film you, okay? Liam, will you stand over here so I can get you and shot?
I'll do it. Here you go.
No, you go over there. Go that side and I'll film the two of you.
it? You stand down, Liam, and I'll stand up here. Like that.
They're going down now.
He's probably next to go.
Man's coming to take him in 10 years.
This is Nando, is it?
Man's coming now. Pause and walk up.
Liam, could you ask if I get a photograph of them? Liam? Liam, you ask if I get a photograph of Nando?
Yeah,
Liam, you ask if I get a photograph of Nando?
in the fields from half 7 onwards in the morning. He's not coming, I thought he was coming, he's not coming yet. You're getting people in the film, careful.
Oh, so. They're only in the distance, Liam.
There he is there, look.
Huh?
Over there.
I think he'll probably he'll come back for him now. I imagine.
Yeah.
Where is he now?
Over there. Come over now. Now look probably, yeah.
Will I say hello to him?
Yeah.
I thought he's been moved over here then, wasn't he? This is his new paddock, is it? This is his new paddock, is it? Hello, Nando. Nando. Darling. 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 Nando. Darling.
Shine on this cold flame.
Huh?
Shine on this cold flame.
Yeah, it's great, yeah.
Hello, darling. Hello. Nando. Hello. Darling. Darling, come here. Darling, come here. Darling, come here. Darling. Nando. Darling. Sweetie pie. Lee, come over here. Darling. Hello. Darling. I call him darling. I call this horse darling. I call him darling.
Good mushrooms. Tiny.
What?
Mushrooms. Big you jokes. Mom, look.
Yeah, what are they?
They're mushrooms.
Are they?
Yeah. Usually things, isn't they?
Bonito, they're not the same.
I have no idea whether I can eat them or not. I have no idea.
I was only reading a thing about them there.
Mm.
Be careful about filming him, or don't get him on camera. Lean into the window, or the gate. Darlene! 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 Ekiano's at the gate! Ekiano's at the gate, Darlene! Hello, Ek! Hello, Ek! Ekiano! Ek! Ekiano! Darlene, Ekiano's at the gate!
Keep your voice down, Henny. Some years out.
Shut up. Darlene! 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 Darlene!
Yeah. Yeah.
Ek! Ek! Ik heb mijn shot niet op de stak, Henry. Henry.
Here, you do it. Here you go. You know what you want.
God's sake, Liam, why do you always do that? You know you do.
Who's this there?
Ekiano.
Yeah.
Ekiano.
This is the French one. This is the...
Seen it the same,
Yeah. A shopping trolley, as we call them. We call them a shopping trolley.
yeah.
You know why that
Yeah,
is?
right.
You know, he's so uninspiring.
I don't agree with you with that.
I like him actually.
Yeah.
He's too tiny, he's very uninspiring. Uninspired at all.
I like this colour as well.
He's incredible athlete, just with his muscle on size, you know.
Where's my friend Nando? Oh, there he is. Liam, Nando. Hello, Nando. Nando. Hello, Nando. Liam, Nando. Darling. 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 Hello, darling. How's my friend? Darling, Nando's at the gate. My friend Nando. This is my darling, darling.
Yeah.
He's my darling.
My darling as well, Nando.
Is he your darling?
Yeah.
Darling, Nando.
My darling. Well, yeah,
Nando's my boyfriend. Nando! Hello! Hello, Nando! Dee, come on, you keep me company, come on! Nando! Aren't you a beautiful horse? Aren't you a beautiful horse? Aren't you a lovely horse, Nando? Aren't you, Nando? Yeah, he's a beautiful horse, isn't he? If you film him walking up and down as I talk to him. Nando! Darling! 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 Nando! Darling! Darling! He's 6,000.
Mm.
Darling, my darling's at the gate. My darling's at the gate. My darling's at the gate, darling. My sweetie pie's at the gate, darling. Yeah, darling.
And he is responding to your company,
Yeah.
but he's well behind.
Oh, you listening to the band? Can you hear the band? There's a band playing.
Yeah, I know. I would have wanted to stay.
He's listening to the band. That's what he's doing. Look.
Can't hear the band, Tanya.
No, I don't like that kind of music.
Will I go ahead?
I'll
You
stay
want-
with us. Stay with us.
Yeah, I'll stay with Tanya. You go ahead. Do you want to
That's
go?
why.
Nando! Nando!
Yeah. They were setting up when I was coming.
Mm.
This is my first proper film today, darling. It's my first proper film today. I had no film at all. This is my first film today now.
I like being into Spain.
I can't stand.
This colour is great as well.
Oh, good.
It's like that layer,
Take him.
I was like, what?
mid-grey.
That yeah, half grey. Their face.
I think I prefer my grey mare friends. I think my mare friends are much nicer because they're more Snow White. My mare friends are more Snow White.
Mm.
He's got unusual grey.
Yeah.
I think my mare friends are much nicer because they're more Snow White. Because
Yeah.
they're more white than grey.
But
We get some
grey
lunch?
is- Grey is all
I'm dark
grey-
grey.
grey is the go.
I drank dark grey and Magnifica and
Yeah.
all of them,
But grey is all the go at the moment.
Yeah, I like your top. Talk about grey. I like your jacket. Very nice. Nice and light.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
nice, nice.
I've hardly had any bloody film. You're going on about lunch.
Well,
This is my first proper film all day.
no, second. You're second.
I've had no, I know, but I mean, it's very short filming so
Yeah.
far. So very short. I didn't get any film with the mares today.
You're already
This is
on.
my first proper film today, Liam.
Yeah.
I've had any films today now.
We
15
go
minutes.
around. They might be there now, will they? No.
No, they won't. They're all the way back at the field. And Andy's gone and minded his own business now. You want to say hello to Invincible and the stable?
And then we head to lunch. Come
I
on.
think go down
Pause
and
video?
get your lunch while
Yeah.
it's still
Pause
there.
video. Yeah. Say hello to Invincible. Then we go to lunch. Say bye.
He's
yeah.
trying to persuade me to go to the Legends. Apparently there's a third new paddock. Apparently there's a new pen. Well, Liam thinks there's a new pen. Liam thinks there's a new pen.
Yeah, I've seen it in distance. I'm not sure.
You get to see what's.
Nice stand here, new stand there.
Now you can see me coming in. Get in the film.
I know, but I'm up high. There you go. Better.
Liam reckons there's a new pen, a new Legends pen. Don't you?
Kind of. Yeah.
He thinks so. Hurricane and Faheen are in it.
Yeah.
It's near the. It's
You
near
think-
the. It's near the ferry door. Near where the ferry door is. Near where Homer used to be.
No, yeah.
So there's three paddocks now. There's the back fields. There's the main field, the front paddock, and the one near where Homer used to be. So he thinks there's a new paddock. He thinks there's a third paddock just being built.
Oh, yeah.
And he thinks the Hurricane and Faheen are the ones that are in that one, in the back, and Beaver Salmon is in the front field, the main front field. So he thinks the Hurricane and Faheen are the ones in the new paddock, in the back.
Oh, yeah.
So, and he's trying to persuade me to go and try to have a go and say hello to the Hurricane. Do you think I'm ready to go?
No.
What?
Maybe after lunch. Try after lunch. Go on.
Yeah,
pause
maybe
video.
on the way to lunch.
Maybe on the way to lunch. All right.
Huh?
I will go now.
But just a quick hello now. I
Okay.
can say hello to Invincible, then me on the way down to lunch maybe.
Alright. Okay.
Try.
Okay.
I want to get the film with me, the Legends, because I want to prove to Anna that I'm taking the first few steps. She's saying to me, she's giving me kind of a suggestion, right? She's suggesting to me to take a few steps, one step at a time, okay? She's saying to me, go to the horse that you're less close to first. Take it, and you know, just take it one step at a time. Go to the horse that you're less close to, and then gradually go to Hurricane as you do. Just take it one step at a time. Just take it slowly. Gradually go to Hurricane and see how you feel.
Yeah.
Just see how you feel. Just take it slowly. Just take it one step at a time. Go to maybe Beefy first, and then go slowly to Hurricane and see how you feel. Because at the moment I still haven't been able to go to the paddocks. I haven't been able to go up there to say hello to them or feed them leaves or carrots or grass or whatever. You know, interact with them. The only thing I've been able to do so far is film them and take photographs for Anna. I haven't been able to talk to them, interact with them yet. But she's saying to me last time I was on the phone to her, she said it was her suggestion, go to Beefy first and take maybe first 3 steps. Take the first 3 steps and go take Beefy first and then gradually go to her.
Okay.
We'll try anyway.
So, what do you think of her? What
I
think
think
her
it's
idea?
a good advice, yeah. I think so, yeah. I think, yeah.
We'll try
After
anyway.
your lunch, try it, yeah.
Yeah.
After lunch, we try it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I want to get a little film for Anna because I want to send it to her to WhatsApp anyway. But I want to get a little film with them and maybe a photograph, maybe, and send it to her on her WhatsApp.
Yeah, okay.
And at least I just want to prove to her that I am trying. Hiya. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doesn't Invincible look amazing? 27 years of age, it's incredible, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I might give it a go. Just
After
try it
lunch,
out,
yeah,
and
okay.
I'd send it, maybe do a little film and send to Anna WhatsApp and maybe take a photograph, maybe and
Okay.
send it to her.
Okay.
What do you think?
Okay, it's fine.
I say hello to Invincible first, okay?
All right.
Okay, pause that.